A woman serving a 215-year sentence for a crash that killed 7 people wants a new trial. Judy Kirby will return to court tomorrow in Morgan County more than 14 years after a deadly wrong-way crash on State Road 67. Prosecutors claimed that Kirby intentionally drove north in the southbound lanes right into the path of another family's van. The wreck killed her 3 children and a nephew in her car, plus the driver and 2 more children in the van. Eyewitness News reporter Rich Van Wyk went back to Martinsville today, where one woman's fight for a second chance is bringing back painful memories for many people in the community.
Judy Kirby will be back in the same courtroom, facing the same judge who presided over her murder trial, accepted the jury's decision of guilty, and sentenced her to 215 years in prison. Judy Kirby's attorneys claim her previous lawyers were ineffective. They allege misconduct by prosecutors and the trial judge. Serious legal errors, they say, violated Kirby's constitutional rights.
Come in here this morning and said something about Kirby wants a new trial, and they go, what? I said, Kirby wants a new trial.
Ann Langford says the appeal is opening old wounds in a community that 14 years later is still healing.
You didn't have to say anything. You did not have to explain to them what was Kirby and what did Kirby do. No, she did something that was unforgivable.
In 2000, Kirby raced her car loaded with children the wrong way up Highway 67. The high-speed head-on collision killed her 3 children and nephew. 2 teenagers, Bradley and Jessica Reel, and their father Thomas died in the van she hit. Prosecutors insisted Kirby was intent on committing suicide. Investigators claimed she was mentally ill. Jurors said guilty on all counts. The judge imposed the maximum sentences for murder. At the site of the crash, a memorial to the 7 victims is a constant reminder. The first responder to the scene was Judy Kochan's ex-husband.
It's something they will never get over, to see that many dead kids and to know that it was done on purpose.
It affects them to this day, 14 years later.
Oh, yeah.
The burden is on Judy Kirby and her attorneys. They must prove not only that mistakes were made, but the mistakes were significant enough to likely result in a different verdict and warrant a new trial. In Martinsville, Rich Van Wyk, Channel 13, Eyewitness News.